Have you always wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel, but don't you know where to start? Are you ready to embark on a journey where your voice is heard, but your face remains hidden? You have come to the right place. Today, we will show you 10 steps on how to start your very own faceless YouTube channel. Hi, this is Liam from the High Roller Hub. If you're looking for a place to learn about the luxury lifestyle, earning an extra income, or do you want to become a real high roller? This is the place for you. Step 1. Finding your niche. Think about what topics you're passionate about and what you have expertise in. Find a niche that interests you and has a potential audience. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Step 2. Create a channel. Now, it's time to create your YouTube channel. Choose a unique name that reflects your content. Remember, you want to maintain anonymity, so avoid using personal information. Set up your channel with an intriguing description and eye-catching artwork. Step 3. Develop your brand. Creating a faceless brand requires a distinct visual identity. Design a simple yet memorable logo or image to represent your channel. Choose a consistent color scheme and typography to make your brand stand out. Step 4. Find your voice. Your voice is crucial when you don't show your face. Experiment with different ways of speaking, whether it's using a voice changer or altering your delivery style. Find a tone that resonates with your audience. Step 5. Content is key. Create compelling content that captures your viewers' attention. Research popular topics within your niche and put your unique spin on them. Make sure to provide value, entertain, and engage with your audience. Step 6. Engage with your community. Connect with your viewers through comments, live chats, and social media. Encourage discussions, ask for feedback, and respond to their thoughts. Building a community will create loyal fans who appreciate your work. Step 7. Embrace unique filming techniques. Since your face isn't the star, experiment with visually captivating shots. Utilize close-ups of objects, scenic shots, or creative editing techniques to enhance your videos. Let your creativity shine. Step 8. Promote your channel. Spread the word about your faceless YouTube channel. Share your content on various social media platforms, collaborate with other creators in your niche, and participate in relevant forums or groups. Step 9. Keep it consistent. Consistency is key to growing your channel. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's uploading once a week or every other day, make sure your audience knows when to expect new content from you. Step 10. Protect your identity. Remember, anonymity is your priority. Take necessary precautions to protect your identity while promoting your channel. Be mindful of what you share online and consider using a separate email for YouTube-related activities. Congratulations! You now know the steps to create a successful faceless YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Hey, this is Liam again. You just watched a video of High Roller Hub. If you liked what you saw, share this with your friends and check out these 2 videos right here. Let us know your thoughts on this subject in the comments down below and suggest to us what we could cover in the next video. Thanks again, and see you all next time.